is just after 7, you can hear some little birds humming. It is getting dark now. Still you can hear the wild dove. You can hear the sound of some frogs. This area has been a lot of rain, and it is now becoming swampy. So the frogs have had a place to breed. You can hear the sound from very far. It's getting dark. It is now almost 10 minutes past 7. You can hear that. These birds, they would do in the morning and late in the evening. Most of the normal species have already gone to their roost. It is only those rare birds. You can hear that. It becomes very, very interesting in the evening. You can hear that. The sounds of the birds in the evening. Those are the sounds of nature, the beauty and sounds of the birds. Thank you.